If we switch the M0.8 screw, which parts do we need to replace? The tracks, push rods and small tracks that need to have their screws replaced. The feeder only needs to replace these 3 parts. If it needs to be replaced, we can disassemble these parts. The small track can be adjusted in width. We need to ensure that the track, push rod, small track, and 3 parts are at the same height and in a straight line. This is a 4-axis screw assembly machine. Screws are fed into the working head by air pressure and then tightened by the screwdriver shaft. Upon completion of machine homing, we modified the operation interface of the handle to an English interface. Click on the navigation interface. In the navigation interface, locate the last page. Tap this. Select the first Chinese and English switch and then click OK. Just click the first one. After selecting the first one, press the OK key. 1 is Chinese, 2 is English. We enter 2. Press the number 2. After entering 2, click OK. You see, all the interfaces have been switched to English. It's English now. If you want to change back to the Chinese interface, press the navigation interface. Press to the last page. Next page, next page. Found this. The first option. 1 is Chinese, 2 is English. If switching to Chinese, enter 1. Then click OK to automatically switch to Chinese. Due to the poor English of our technicians, we can only switch to Chinese for explanation. When switching to English, please follow the video instructions and arrow indicators to operate the machine accordingly. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience caused. We shall endeavor to switch to English for our subsequent videos. Now we should begin creating a new program. When we create a new program, we first click on the navigation interface. Select the first file management option and click OK. In order to make it easier for everyone to watch each action clearly, we will explain it more slowly. Press the navigation interface. Select the first file management option, then press the OK key. Then, we choose the first new or open page. Press the OK key. If we've created the program before, open it now. Select the third one to open. Click OK. This is how you open the program you created earlier. Each program is preceded by a set of numbers that represent the program's serial number. Click Cancel and we start a new program. Scroll up. Select the first option, then click OK. The file number is the serial number just now. File number only numbers can be entered, and you cannot enter an existing program serial number. If you forget, you can open the program and see what the serial number is in front of the program name. Enter the product name by switching between different input methods. Click to delete. Click to switch input method. We switch to the English input method. This is for switching between different input methods. We should enter any product name at random, then click OK. The program we created, being identical in serial numbers to the existing one, effectively activates that program. So we have to start the new program again. Let's do it again. If we don't know what the file number is, we enter a larger number. Therefore, when creating a new program, first open the existing program name and check the existing serial number. This is the end of today's video. If you have any questions you don't understand, please contact us jhighmiz.com.